mess around!
Hello everybody and welcome to Mess Around TV, and I'm super excited today because we are launching our brand new mess kits across the UK, and I have a fantastic one lined up for you. This is our Hey Mucky Pup mess kit. So if your child is a big Hey Duggee fan, then they are going to love this kit, because this kit has its own little toy. It comes with a toy, it's got a little figurine, and it's got a little stick man. So I'm going to put it down here. But we have some fantastic activities for you to do in your mess kit. The first one that we've got is the Doggie Mud sort dough. So this is the little mud part of it. It's brilliant. This is treated topsoil, so it's safe for the children to play with. And what goes with this one is these super cute little bones, and I'm going to get them out. They are really cute, made with salt and flour. So these are the little bones. How cute are those? And they go with the pack. So look, they go with the mud, so the kids can put them in. I'll put them in right now. You could also paint those if you wanted to afterwards. We've also got Betty's Purple Fizzing cloud dough. So all your materials come in one of these pots, so you can play with it and then put all your materials back in the pot and keep it for another day. So this one is a fizzing cloud dough, and I'm going to give it a little try because it comes with its own little vinegar pot as well, so you can do this at home. Let me take a little bit out to have a little look. Oh, it's a lovely colour, purple as well. And let's give it an open. Right, so this is just vinegar. Give it a pop in. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, it's on its way. It's fizzing. So not only you could just probably play with this normally and do some moulding and shaping, when you want to activate it, you add your vinegar in and it will start going psh, creating a fizzing experience for the children, which is always really, really good fun. Love that one. And also in your pack, you'll have these brilliant dyed porridge oats. So porridge oats are really, really hard to dye, and these are chunky ones, so they're really good. You get 3 different colours. So this is Happy's rainbow porridge oats. So you've got, this one I've got blue, green and red. So you'll get a pack of 3 of these in your kit, which is really good. And also you'll get Roly's, yeah, that's right, Roly's shiny water beads. Now the children absolutely love playing with water beads. Obviously you need adult supervision with them, but they are really, really good fun. Let's put a few out with our, put them in with the fizzing cloud dough. Water beads, always a big hit, and then you can always keep these. You just reseal them, put them back in, and they're ready to be played with on another day. No, we're not finished, guys. We've got more in this mess kit. It's great value, this kit. We have Tags Sparkle Soap Slime. So this one is a blue one, and it's full of lovely slime and glitter. Oh, look at that. The kids are going to love this one. So this one could be played with straight away, or you can add more water to it and make it really gooey and put it outside. That's a good outdoor activity one. And last but not least, we have Norrie's colourful bow ties. So this one is dyed pasta. Look at the beautiful colours there. We've got greens, we've got reds, we've got blues. And pasta's really good fun. You can do lots of different, you could do colour sorting, you could do mixing, pouring, putting that down a chute if you've got one at home. So that's a really good fun one there. And when you get your kit delivered to your home, it comes with its very own box. All the kit will be in the box. It means the children can use this to play in, so it contains the mess. And obviously it's yours to keep for the next time. So guys, that is our Hey Mucky Puppy kit. This mess kit is now available to purchase across the UK via your local leader. So pop over to their Facebook page, check out their shop, see what they have on offer, and order yours today. Bye for now.